Hello everyone and welcome to this video all around how you are interacting on your Facebook account. So in other words, you as a person and you as a business. How can you tell who you are and how you're interacting on your Facebook account? So my name's Anita Wong and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so here we are on my Facebook profile. We know it's my profile because it's got a picture of me, and my profile, I only have friends on them. So as you can see, this is a real indicator that this is my personal profile because I'm connected to other people as friends. Now, there is also another way of being individual on Facebook, and that is through their new professional account. If I click these three dots, you can see that it says turn on professional mode. When I do that, this enables a creator, maybe somebody who creates Facebook Reels or video, to monetize that content. Now, this is really, as you can see, if you're eligible, you can unlock monetization tools to earn money. You can grow an audience. If you are using your personal profile as a professional mode, then you're always going to be set to public. So you'll grow an audience as followers, not friends, and all of the posts on your professional mode will always show up to the general public. There will be no way of you hiding it to just friends or privately. It has to be public because a professional mode is an individual's way of publicly promoting their content. You can also get insights the same way as you had a business page. Now, the one thing to say as a professional, although you become public and you get followers, you can keep your friends, as you can see here, and you can go into your profile settings to view and change who can send friends requests. So your professional mode is a blend of personal and professional. But the biggest difference between your personal profile and the professional mode is that your posts will always be public. So if you don't want your post public, I suggest that you don't turn on this professional mode. So now you've decided that you want to keep your personal profile as personal so that you can control who sees your content. So when you click on what's on your mind, you can control whether it goes to the public, to friends, friends accept, only me, or specific friends. And you can control that in this post area or inside your profile settings. Now, the other way that you can interact on Facebook is as your Facebook business page. So this is a business page that you can create on Facebook, and all the posts on here are going to be public. Now, this is like a storefront for those of you who have a brick and mortar premise. And for those of you who work remotely or have an online business, then this is like your online storefront. You can see that you have likes and followers on your Facebook business page. And when you post on it, you have to be interacting as your business page, not yourself. At the moment, I'm currently myself up here, and this doesn't enable me to actually post on my page. In order for me to post on my Facebook business page, I do need to be interacting as my business page. And as you can see here, switch into Anita Wong's page to take more actions. And to do that, you need to come up to this top right hand corner, click on this button and switch to your business page. The page will reload, and now you'll know that you're acting as your page because it says down here you're now acting as Anita Wong on Facebook, and you'll be able to post an update. And as you can see, when you come to post an update on your Facebook business page, it's always going to be public. There is no other option other than public. So in order for you to post on your Facebook business page, you need to act as your Facebook business page. In order for you to post on your personal profile, you need to be acting as your personal profile. So this was a quick video to explain to you how you interact on Facebook as a person and as a professional profile or as a business page. Don't forget that if you have any questions about this video or about how you interact on Facebook, drop them underneath this video and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to learn how to post as a personal profile and a business page and how you can cross-post between the two, then do check out the video straight after this one. And don't forget, of course, to hit that subscribe button of this video so that you can get notified of the next time I upload another video about Facebook and Instagram. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.